Index funds versus ETFs. Which is better in 2025? Want to grow your money, but confused between index funds and ETFs? Today, I'll break it down in simple words so you can start investing confidently in 2025. Welcome to InvestSmart Basics, where we make investing easy for beginners. Hit subscribe for clear, practical investing videos every week. What are index funds? Index funds are collections of stocks that mirror an index like the S&P 500. You buy and hold, and it automatically grows with the market. They are managed passively, so they usually have lower fees, making them great for long-term investors. What are ETFs? ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, also track indexes, but trade like stocks during market hours. This means you can buy or sell them anytime the market is open. ETFs can be more flexible if you want control over when you buy or sell. Key differences: liquidity. ETFs can be traded anytime. Index funds trade once a day. Investment minimums. ETFs often have lower minimums. Fees. Both have low fees, but ETFs may have trading costs. Which one is better for you? If you want to invest consistently and forget about it, index funds are simple and effective. If you want flexibility or to invest in small amounts, ETFs are your friend. Remember, both are excellent for beginners aiming for long-term wealth. Which one will you pick for your portfolio? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this clear, hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing videos. Thanks for watching InvestSmart Basics. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.